I'm going to eat now.
Yes.
And this is my lunch. Leftover tocino and leftover rice. And after that, I'm going to eat my leftover cheesecake. Yan. Everything is leftover. I don't mind to eat leftover.
See? There's another one. That's the other buddy. One of their teammates. And then now we got, then each one that's why I got 6. So they could be the same one. You don't know what you're gonna get.
You know why I'm so fat? Because I love to eat. My hobby is to eat, especially leftover. I don't want to waste food.
Okay, so there's these. Well, these guys can eat the chocolate, and then we'll separate the toys. And then we're gonna have some fun here.
My kids don't like to eat this tocino because they had enough tocino. They want different.
Well, it's something. Oh my God! Practically you have to eat this with a spoon.
What's that?
It's a Kinder Surprise, but it's like a little pudding.
Oh.
So it's like Harry Potter magic.
Kinder Surprise is different now.
No, this one's because of the Harry Potter series. It's like a little dish where you eat it with a spoon. I see. Well, that's...
What is that? Chocolate or ice cream?
No, it's like, you know when you get when in Harry Potter, when they got their meals with their mashed, it's like, even though it's chocolate, you know when they were eating their pretend like mashed potatoes and meatballs or whatever it was for their stew or whatever it's supposed to be. I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a meal, a pretend meal, like you're pretending you're sharing a meal with these guys. Maybe that's what this is for. Maybe this is a spoon. I don't know. Scoop. I don't know what that's for. But anyway, I'll just get a regular spoon. I'll save this one. I just wanted to open one to see what it looks like. They're probably all the same, I would imagine. This one got banged around and squished, so yeah, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to treat myself to a small spoonful of this stuff and give it a go. And I'll tell you what it tastes like. Ooh, look at me. Oh, not bad.
Let's eat, guys. You know this tocino is hot.
Oh,
with
wow.
chili powder.
Holy crap.
What is it? Tastes good?
That's not bad, actually. Well, I shouldn't be interrupting your video.
It's okay.
It's crunchy, soft, and a little bit of everything. Not bad. I mean, I can't complain.
Can't believe it. Nora Honor is gone at the age of 71.
Don't worry.
Amazing. Yeah, you don't know what could happen tomorrow. So, I was shocked. 71. My goodness. Then Pilita Corrales, 85.
There we go.
Even if you're rich, got lots of money,
when your time's up, your time's up.
No one can stop death.
Well, it depends. There probably might be some people in the world that, in the universe, that live for hundreds, if not thousands of years. You never know. We don't know that for a fact.
long time ago, Michael Jackson, he's planning of staying alive around 50 years. What happened?
Well, it's just life.
But he didn't make it.
I wonder what these I think they put the label on these to protect them from being crushed, I guess, the toys. But it has a label on it, see? It has the name. So that covers that up so it doesn't get crushed. This I'll save. This is a treat for later on. I tried one, and since one is finished, so it acts like a little dish that you can actually scoop it out and eat it. See?
Yeah.
Like that. See? That's it. Pretty simple, huh?
It's nice to be alive. Especially when you're doing good deeds to other people. When you're nice.
Well,
be humble, even if you got lots of money.
I don't know. I'm humble all the time, regardless of whatever. I'm doing the best I can. Anyways, I gotta get cracking on back to work and what I'm working on, as I promised myself.
Where are you going?
Things need to be done.
When are you?
Laundry needs to be finished up still.
Laundry?
Laundry is still sitting in the machine, half done. Half's dry and half's been sitting in the washing machine since I left. And I want to get it done. I don't want to do it at 3 o'clock in the morning. I want to get it done while it's still early. Oh, hey, you're right.
Hindi talaga natin hawak ang buhay natin. Mayayaman pa yan, mapipera. Kahit ano yan, mga sikat. Tingnan mo, ang pagkapag-oras na talaga ng isang tao, walang makakapigil. Kaya yan. At least, namatay siya, sikat. Di siya makakalimutan. Mga new generation, di siya makakalimutan. Yan. Pero kapag ordinaryong tao, madaling makalimutan. Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get that together. I'm really headed. That's gonna drive ages. Oh, it's been down so far. I don't have to go down this far.
Yeah, dapat i-enjoy ang ating buhay, kumain. Kasi, dahil hindi natin alam, mangyayari bukas. Maging mabuti tayo sa ating kapwa. Pag hindi tayo naging mabuti sa ating kapwa, nasa ilalim na ng lupa, minumura pa rin. Kasi, hindi tayo naging mabuti sa ating kapwa. Maganda yung may iwan natin ang kagandahan ng loob sa ating sa ating kapwa. Para hindi tayo makalimutan at maalala tayo. Forever and ever and ever. Ito, dessert ko. Yan. Dahil kumain tayo, huwag mag-diet-diet. Dahil pag wala na tayo dito sa mundo, hindi na tayo kakain ng masarap. Kaya, yan. Sarap ng cheesecake. Sarap talaga. Sarap ng aking pagkain. Dessert. Pag naginip ako si mama, nag-uusap kami. Parang totoo. Kaya, maganda yung palagi ko na papanaginipan si mama.
We'll just do one half at a time.
Wala akong masabi kasi ang sarap ng kinakain ko, nakakalimutan ko ang sasabihin ko. Manunood ako misa mamaya. Kaya pagkakain ko, manunood ako ng misa online. Ito binigay to sa akin ni Papa. Ito binigay to sa akin ni Papa. Ano ito? Yung hindi to plastic. Yung galing sa elepante. Yan. Ito naman galing ito sa Madrid, Spain. Yeah. Yan ang aking ano yan. Ito galing kay Alik. Ito binili ko to. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panonood.